and as we go on separate ways, may we bring with us the skills, values, and character that the Academy has instilled in us. Let us not fail our alma mater. Let us make her proud by doing our job and by doing it well. To the Filipino people, whom we have pledged to serve with honor and integrity, utang namin ang lahat ng ito sa inyo. We will strive to become the best officers who are worthy of your respect and trust. We vow, as young leaders of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, to always serve you and our country with vigor and unwavering commitment. Sa buong sambayanang Pilipino, handa na po kaming magsilbi sa inyo. Handa na po kami. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.